Hey everybody, this is a 1986 GE refrigerator. It's original to this house along with this 1986 GE electric range and oven. They both work. Let me see if I can get the fridge to turn on. I'll show you guys the inside. It's pretty cool. Got some assorted foods inside. We had to put duct tape there because there was a crack there, so none of the cold air would get out. Here's the freezer. We have to make our own ice. There's no ice maker. It's a 17.7 cubic feet. Let's see if I can get it to kick on. There it goes. Purrs like a kitten. Can get a little annoying at night though. It's old. It's an old fridge. The compressor makes funny noises sometimes, so that can be annoying. You can't really see the back of it because it's close, but I love the sound of it. It purrs like a kitten. So yeah, there it is guys. Hope you enjoyed.